Kaneki's style, one of the coolest anime hairstyles. White hair and white background is a problem. It's going to look a lot better on black background because Kaneki's hair, as you guys know, is white. Kaneki, roll the tape! To create this style, create a section around the perimeter of 3 fingers of width. Cut a convex line on the nape, using freeform with the razor. To recreate this style, I bought myself a pivot point mannequin, and it's used for color presentations. I had the opportunity to start my career in Spain, working for Luis Romero, in Zaragoza, at the Pivot Point First Academy in Spain. I consider that period of time of my life as a solid foundation for all that I have done on the video industry. Using the blade, I will carve on the surface some layers. About 2 fingers width, slicing the blade in horizontal. Whenever you start your career, whatever it will be, it's critical that you take the time to train with the best. On your first years, this is more important than how much money you make. Observe the images on the corner so you can see what I'm working on. I will cut the size following the J-line. Retouch the line using the point cutting technique until you achieve the desired balance. Now I will connect the length of the sides with the length on the nape, previously cut. On this area of the haircut, I will use the freeform technique or the point cutting technique, always depending on the client's hair type. Now, if your hair is dry or frizzy, don't use the razor, use the scissors. They will do a way better job. To cut this bangs area, condense this section on the center at the point of the nose length. This technique will help you to create the concave form of Kaneki's bangs. Connect the bangs with the sides like you see me doing here. Using the condensed cutting technique with the twin combs, I will cut a graduation on the back using the razor. But if you prefer, you can cut this with the scissors or the clippers. Don't miss next week Nanami Kento from Jujutsu Kaisen. It's going to be epic, I promise. If you are liking this video, you want to see more content like this, please consider to subscribe to the channel, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. I would like to get to 10,000, so I need your help. Pass this video to your friends, your family, and everybody else that you know, okay? Thank you very much. On the top of the head, I will add some incremental layers using the razor blade and following a radial sectioning pattern. The suggestion with more likes on this video will get added to my to-do list. I am excited to see who wins. I will continue using the same short to long incremented technique on the midsection of this hairstyle. Follow me on Instagram if you like to get VIP information on all the styles that I have done and I will do next. Be on the known before anybody else. If you do any of the looks that I do in the channel, share it on Instagram. Tag Hairbender so we can all see it. To add some lightness and direction on the ends, I will create an internal graduation using the texturizing scissors with the thick teeth. Observe the 90-degree turns that I do with my blades. Retouch the size using the diagonals on the direction of this style. elevate and retouch the graduation on the nape using the texturizing scissors. To dry this look, I will use Glide from 1821. With Glide, the hair will be soft and easy to do some dry cutting at the end. Blow dry the bangs area first. This and the sides are the focal point. Using a flat brush and the power of the air, make the hair flat to the head. This particular mannequin has the hair coming straight out of the head. That is why I did opt out for the longer version on Kaneki's hairstyle. Listen, Kaneki watched all my videos and loves to practice my techniques. He is a great apprentice. I think he will do better working on a salon than at the coffee shop. To get the white color on your hair, visit a professional that is an expert on fantasy colors. And visit their Instagram so you can see what kind of work they produce. They will need to bleach your hair and add some pearl tones. Take your time to tailor the front of this style, and any other parts from the sides of the back, then they're going to be viewed from the front. I am watching the Tokyo Ghoul series right now. It's a cool anime. If you haven't seen it yet, check it out. To detail this style, I will use wax from 1821. I will spray on my fingers and work each pointy end one by one. When your fingers get sticky with the hairspray, wash your hands and keep going. If you don't, your sticky fingers will make a mess. If you're a professional on the video industry, I'm going to be leaving a link on the description so you can see all my full tutorials. To recreate a more wild look with the face mask, all because COVID, I will tease the hair to get the extra volume needed. This haircut will go great with any face type. Now, if your face is round, don't add extra volume on the sides, and add more volume on the top to elongate the shape. This look, it was so fun to do. Thank you for the suggestion. I love to see your suggestions. Let's go! This is Angel del Solar cutting Taneki's hairstyle.